Hello everyone, and welcome back to Grammar Guardians. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most common mix-ups in English grammar, your versus your. Now, these two might sound identical, but they have very different meanings and uses. Your is a possessive adjective, meaning it describes something belonging to you, like your book or your shoes. On the other hand, your is a contraction of you are. It's a combination of those two words, and it's often used when describing a state or condition, like you're happy or you're late. Sounds straightforward, right? Well, let's put that understanding to the test. Remember, practice makes perfect. Check out our exercise videos to check your understanding further. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more.